In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options available on this Blackview. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Sorry, misclick. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gbird. Following that, select Text Correction, scroll down, and as you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!